Kung nandito ka sa website na ito, hindi ka nagbabrowse, you're evaluating. May nakita ka na, kaya ang tanong mo ngayon, ano ang next step? Let's establish this clearly. Hindi kami nagbebenta ng automation. We install a structured conversion system at hindi lahat qualified. Kung naghahanap ka ng guarantees, shortcuts, or bahala na si AI, this will not be aligned. Karamihan ng negosyo hindi bumabagsak dahil kulang ang leads. They collapse because of inconsistent execution. Halimbawa, may message na pumasok, may sumagot, then peak hours happen na overload ang staff. Follow-up stop. Tahimik na nauubos ang leads. Hindi ito people problem, structural problem ito. Kapag unstable ang system mo, failure becomes predictable. Kung ang internal dialogue mo ganito pa rin, na follow-up ba? Nasagot ba yung PM? Ano na nangyari sa inquiry? That's not marketing operational weakness po yan. It's time to fix the foundation of your operations. Sa bawat step na ito, we eliminate the human error that drains your profits. Unang step, lead capture. We build a system that works even when you're asleep. Pangalawa, instant qualification ng bawat lead. Hindi ito magic, it's engineering. Pangatlo, automated scheduling para hindi masayang ang oras nyo. We look at your bottleneck and we automate it. Pang-apat, centralized data for clear visibility. This is how high-level businesses dominate. Pang-lima, re-engagement loops to maximize every lead. Pang-anim at pito, analytics and scale. We provide you the tools to grow properly. We are not just service providers, we are your strategic partners in growth. Pinoy Automation Builder builds direct message conversion workflows. Hindi sobra, hindi kulang. Hindi po kami ito, patakbuhin ang kumpanya mo, sumagot manually para sa team mo, mag-guarantee ng revenue, i-override ang decisions mo. We do. Install a defined workflow structure sa Facebook or Instagram DM mo. Structure the conversation stages, automate follow-through, tanggal dependency sa memory. Convo chat is the gateway. Workflow ang asset. Capture, qualify, schedule, and follow up. That is infrastructure. Karamihan ng automation is reactive. Sumasagot, pero hindi nagra-route. Nagre-reply, pero hindi nagde-decide. Nagsasalita, pero walang follow-through. Adding more VAs won't solve this. Adding more tools won't solve this. Structured workflow logic lang ang solution. Kung approach mo pa rin ay sagutin mo muna, then you don't have a system. At the end of the day, you have a simple activity. Kapag qualified ka, ganito ang mangyayari. We install a direct message workflow asset sa page mo with a defined scenario, clear structural logic, and explicit boundaries. In this way, alam ng system when to ask, when to stop, when to route, and when to follow up. Hindi ito mag-ooperate outside the structured rules. Hindi ito mag-handle on the undefined cases. Hindi nito papalitan ang process flow mo. And kung mas gusto mo flexibility kaysa structure, may paraan kung paano gawin yan. May limits ang memory mo. By design, hindi nito kayang gawin lahat. Walang guarantee. Anyways, hindi papalitan ng tao mo. Kung uncomfortable ka sa clear scope, defined objectives, and fixed rules, and assigned responsibility, then misalign tayo dahil hindi tayo bagay. At mahal ang misalignment. We know how to say no kapag gusto mo undefined scope, gusto mo may hidden human responder, gusto mo laging nagbabago ang paraan mo, nakikipag-negotiate ka sa price bago maintindihan ang structure. Because we believe bad revenue is worse than no revenue at all. That's why we filter early. Bago pag-usapan ng pricing plan, we assess alignment muna kasi pricing without fit creates unrealistic expectations, support burden, scope conflict, operational strain. We verify kung may real inquiries ka na, kung clear ang offer mo, kung defined ang pricing mo, kung meron ng fulfillment capacity. Tatanggapin mo ang system boundaries sa workflow dito and ready ka sa setup at maintenance. After review, magkakaroon ng isang outcome lang, either install-only system or starter or pro or enterprise. Or not a fit at all. Walang upsell discussion. Only fit or not fit. Kung seryoso ka sa structured workflow and follow-up system na ito, click check if your business is qualified. Answer our questions clearly and properly. If aligned tayo, we proceed. If not, we both conserve our most precious time. Dahil para lang ito sa mga totoong businessmen na seryoso sa negosyo nila and ready sa isang structured and defined system for your business to grow and scale. Click check if your business is qualified and see you there at the final stage of our qualification process.